Ôi tụi chị luôn nó qua đầu zư.
Hi guys, we're about to going home, but then something hit it hard, so hard. My wish was like a Jew because I haven't actually catch a Jew before. So on my mind, I had two things. That is on my mind, two things. First thing, it's either a Jew, which is little chance. The second thing, it's a stingray, because lots of stingray hanging around the shore, and I'm only fishing very close to shore. We've been packing, like start packing, almost going home, and bang, it is on. Guy, it's a good feeling when your reel is running.
Love the rod bend and the reel run.
And your rod is bending. That is the best feeling for a fishing man or fishing ladies. So stay with us and we go right to the end to see if it's a stingray or a Jew, okay guys? So hopefully we will see that what type of fish this is. To my mind, it's more like a stingray, but it's a good fight anyway. I got a 12-pound line on my reel, and when you fight with a 12-pound line, it's very, very interesting because you got to play around. I only say this to the people that don't have the experience yet, okay? Don't tie your fishing reel. Let it loose and play with it. Keep on playing and don't use muscle. Just play, let it run. Fish or big fish, when they're just like a human. When they're running, they're gonna get tired. Once when they get tired, and hopefully you will see what type of fish that is. So stay with us, okay guys, and we have a look, see what type of fish this is right to the end.
Nó cứ lên tờ đó.
No, it's green in the water.
I think stingray.
Stingray.
Yeah.
More like a stingray.
Yeah, it's not like a stingray.
Nhấn tờ nè. Cứ lên tờ nè, tờ stingray mà.
Yeah.
Để tôi phải chấp phùa. Để cho lùa.
Thức bò này do stingray đó.
Stingray đó.
Tôi thì á. Để gần.
Nếu chỉ các cho lên bể chỉ tụ.
Can you guys see that? Near that pole, near that orange pole, there's also a tunnel on the right hand side, not far from it. And my wife said that it's gonna go into the tunnel. So I keep on pulling, but then it went to the pole and it's gonna get like tangled to the pole. So I gotta move my position to the right hand side. So just to make sure that it's not gonna get tangled to the orange pole. So I gotta keep like slowly and moving slowly to my right hand side and try to pull it so that it move away from that yellow that orange pole and the tunnel. Okay, so now I'm just keep on playing and try to pull the fish to the right hand side so that it doesn't get tangled or go into the tunnel. There's like a tube, like the sewage tunnel. It's quite big. I almost lost a rod tonight too. And I had to walk on top of that tunnel and use another rod to get it back. Lucky that I got the rod back. So now, guys, you can see that I'm moving slowly towards my right hand side, and hopefully it doesn't get tangled or go into that tunnel and it come to where I'm going. So stay tuned, okay, guys. My wife already said that it's a stingray. But anyway, we're going to play with this stingray right to the end and see how big it is. I said that it is quite big, the way the stingray fight. So now I'm just going to keep on playing and move towards my right hand side. And this is where I'm trying to pull it to, or try to land it on this side so I don't get tangled to that orange pole, or the stingray gonna go into that tunnel. So now it's very hard and it's still running. The reel's still running hard. So I'm just gonna wait for it to run until it get tired. Once when it get tired, then I'm gonna start reel it slowly to the shore so we can all have a look at, see how big this stingray is, okay? So the stingray, it seems like the stingray is getting tired slowly. So I got the upper hand now, I can pull it. And it doesn't fight that much. It doesn't tear the line off the reel that much now. So it's it's coming slowly. So now I had a chance to reel my line back to the reel. There it is, guys. Can you see slowly it's coming? That it's a stingray, okay? It's coming slowly to the concrete. Or this is like a boat ram.
It's a stingray.
So it's coming, and that's how big it is, guys. See how huge that stingray is.
One before?
So now on my mind,
I like to have
the only chance I had is to cut it.
I heard
So I'm going to ask my boy to bring me something so I can cut this stingray
expensive in France
and release it back to the water. I'm not going to take the hook out, okay? It's a bit risky.
They say that,
so
my brother said
I hope that you guys can forgive me. I'm just going to cut the line. And hopefully the salt water
I like to try.
will get the line rusty
or
and drop the hooks off. So there's a stingray, okay, guys. So keep an eye on this stingray. It's quite big.
I want my
I love to taste it, guys. I love to taste one. But maybe someday that I'm going camping in the bush or somewhere, if I catch one, I'm going to taste it. Because everybody said that it's very, very good, tasty.
Oh, guy, that's the one that killed our hero. What's his name again? Our hero, crocodile. Steve Irwin, isn't it? Yeah. That's the one that killed our hero, Steve Irwin. So I gotta watch out for its tail. You got a knife, my boy?
No, I got scissors.
Oh, okay, bring the scissors.
This could be hard.
Okay, bring daddy the scissors. Nhớ nhớ phải hỏi giống chị của nó nè. Họ nói nhớ hồn trong cái ly của nó chứ. Yeah, come and hold the water. On a 12-pound line, it's very good. Okay, see you, buddy. Yeah, especially on the 12-pound line, it's very good. You know, like having, you know, like fighting with the stingray.